G'day, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It rules millimetres, material's been wetted. The white is the reflection of the lights. Black on that's a permanent marker, it's been marked out. It's only thin but still might make a little stone. Maybe just look at cutting that as a small stone there. Another one here. This is possibly a promising piece. Colour going through there. Another little eye just here. Goes across under here by the looks. Not such strong colour in that piece. And it's been polished, ready for final, but it's been rejected for some reason. Still could be finished off the way it is, I think. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.